If you want to remove an object from a photo on POCO M8 Pro, first we can open Gallery. Now over here in Gallery, open the photo that you wish to edit, and we're gonna use the pen at the bottom of the screen. Now in here, we're gonna go ahead and switch to the Create. Then we can use the Erase, and if you go here for the first time, you will need to download the Erase tool. So you might want to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi to be able to download. You will have to actually sign into your Xiaomi account. So if you don't have a Xiaomi account, you can just simply sign in with your Google account. There we go. So now let's see if I have to do this again. All right. So once you sign in, we should be able to choose remove objects. We also have remove people, remove reflection, and manual selection. And in here we can draw a shape around the subject that we try to erase. There we go, it has been selected, so now we can just press start, and hopefully it's gonna be removed quite easily. There's a chance that something will be left off after erasing your object. So as you can see, in my case, there's like an ugly shade over here. So let's try to select that as well, and hopefully it's gonna be selected. And let's tap on start again, so you can of course keep going until you are satisfied with the results. So let's see. There we go. I think it looks pretty nice. So now we can just tap on this check in the bottom right corner, and let's tap on save in the upper right corner. And that's about it. Subscribe to my channel.